Hello students of grade 10, sorry grade 11, maths or applied maths. This chapter is common, chapter 9, sequence. In 9.3 we are going to learn about geometric progression. So a sequence of non-zero number is said to be geometric progression, GP in short form, if the ratio of each term is always same. For example, ratio means if I divide these two, the ratio is same. 4 divided 2 is 2. If I divide these two, 8 divided 4 is 2. The ratio is always same. If I divide these two, 16 divided 8 is 2. So if the ratio is always same, then we call it GP. If I divide these two, 32 divided 16, we get 2. So if the ratio is always same, then we call it GP. In arithmetic progression, we go either addition or subtraction, increase or decrease by some amount, and here if the common ratio is same, and to find the common ratio we divide second divide first or third divide second, whatever it may be. So this sequence are in GP. Now let us learn some formula for this exercise. AN means nth term, we get a Rn minus 1. So R is nothing but a common ratio. Okay, R is common ratio. And you find this common ratio by dividing the second term by first term. So the nth term in GP is a Rn minus 1. The Sn, if n is R is equal to 1, if the common ratio is 1, sum of the nth term is Na. If the common ratio is R is less than 1, we use a 1 minus Rn by 1 minus R. If the ratio is more than 1, we use a Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. This is the formula. Geometric mean. Suppose G is one of the number between A and B, then G is given by root over AB. That is geometric mean. Okay. In geometric mean we find R B by A bracket 1 plus n plus 1, but we can do directly also. Now if G is the geometric mean, we have this one, but if we have G1, G2, G3 till Gn, then G1 is AR, G2 is AR square. We can find R using this formula, and we can find G1, G2, G3, G till Gn, okay, using this formula. Then you can note the formula for this exercise. Okay, if the series is gone infinite, okay, there is no n term and gone infinite, sum of the infinite term is a by 1 minus r. S infinite means sum of infinite terms in GP. The relation between AM and GM. If A is an arithmetic mean and G is a geometric mean, A minus G is always root over A minus root over B whole square by 2. This is a formula, okay? And you have to know that A is always greater than or equal to G. So this is the formula. Let's do exercise based on the formula. Find 20th and the nth term of GP. GP is given 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, and goes on. So A is nothing but 5 by 2 first term. R is second minus first, also not minus, divide. 5 by 4 divide 5 by 2. You make it into 5 by 4 into, you have to reciprocal, 2 by 5, 5, 5 cancel. So R is 1 by 2. Now you are going to find A20. A20 means A R minus 19. Okay, one less. Formula is AN is AR n minus 1. So if it is A10, we can write AR9 like that, one less than this. So AR19. Put the value now. A20 means AR19, 1 less than this. So A is 5 by 2, R is 1 by 2 whole 19. So we can say that this calculation will be so big, we can keep the answer as it is, okay? Or you can do like that, 5 by 2, 1 by 2 power 19. So 2 power 19 will be 5 into, how many 2 power is there? 2 power 20, you can write like this also, no problem. 2 power 1, 2 power 19 is 2 power 20. Now you are going to find n term. So a r n minus 1, put the value. A is 5 by 2, r is 1 by 2 whole n minus 1. You can break it up, 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 n minus 1, 5 by 2 into, 5 into 1 by 2 power. If I add the power, it will become 2 power n. So this is the answer for question number 1. Let's do question number 2. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. They've already given 8th term, okay? R is 2 and they've given 8th term is 192. So A8 is 192. Use the formula on the left side. A R 7. 8 means 1 less than. Put the value. A we don't know, R is 2 power 7. So R 2 power 7 means R 2 power 7 is 128. We're trying to find the value of A. A is 192 by 128. Cancel by 264. 2 how much? 296. We can cut by 32 also. 32 2 times, 32 3 times. So we're getting A equal to 3 by 2. Now we're going to find 12 terms. So I'm just doing here A12 equal to A R11, 1 less than 12. So A is 3 by 2 into R11 means 2 power 11. So we can cut 1 1, it will become 10. So 3 into 2 power 10. So 3 into 2 power 10 is 1024. If you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 10, then means you will get 1024. And multiply this one, 3072 is the final answer. Let's do question number 3. The 5th, 8th and 11th term of GP is PQS respectively. So I'll just write A5 is P. A5 is P. The 5th term is P, 8th term is Q and 11th term is S, okay? That means A R power 4 is P. A8 is Q. That means A R power 7 is Q. And A11 is S. That means A R power 10 is S. Now let us find the relation of these three, okay? To prove Q square equal to PS, put the value. Q is A power R power 7 and P is A R power 4, A R 10. So this will be A square, this will be R 14, this is A square, R 14. So both sides it's same. Since both side is same, hence proof. Okay, both side is same. Next to question number 4. The fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. Find the first, and the first term is a is minus 3. Determine the seventh term. A7 you are going to find. So as per the question, fourth term A4 is, the fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. So A2 square. Put the value, that is AR cube equal to, this is AR. A2 is AR. Square both sides. A square R square. So 1A cancel both sides. R cancel. R square cancel both sides. We're getting R equal to A. Now if R equal to A, that means therefore R equal to A equal to minus 3. Since A is minus 3, R is also minus 3. Now what you have to find? A7. So therefore A7 will be AR6. A is minus 3. R is minus 3 whole 6. That means together we're getting minus 3 into 3 power 6 is 729. And negative, if there is negative and the power is even, it will be positive. So your answer is minus 2187. 3 into 729 is this one. Okay, that's the final answer. Let's go to question number 5. Which term of the following sequence is 128? So first you find A. A is 2. R is, we have to divide these two. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 cancel. R is root 2. And they are saying that which term is 128? AN is given as 128. Use the formula on the left side. ARN minus 1 equal to 128. A is 2. R is root 2. So root 2 whole power. Root 2 power is half. Okay, so we can write n minus 1 by 2. Root 2 power is half, so n minus 1 by 2. Cancel 2 64 times. So we're getting 2 power n minus 1 equal to 6 to 4 is 2 power 6. Since the base is same, this is base. Okay, since the base is same, the power also will be same. I'm doing here. That means n minus 2 will be equal to 6. So n minus 1 equal to 12. N equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. So you can try this one as a homework. This one also as a homework. Here you must get n equal to 12, and here you must get n equal to 9. So this is a homework. Okay, here you must get n equal to 12. Check the question. And here you must get n equal to 9. Question number 6. For what value of x the number lists are in GP? So it's like geometric mean. As per the formula, it will be root over this into this. Minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. We can cancel this. We can cancel this. We're getting 1. Root 1 is 1. Okay. Next. Find the sum to indicate the number of terms in each of the geometric progression from question number 7 to 10. So we're going to find the sum, okay? First, write A is 0.15, R is 0.015 by 0.15, remove the decimal, 15 by 15, downside we have removed 2 decimals, so 100 upside, upside we have done 3 decimals, so cancel it, we are getting 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is less than, or we can write 0.1, 0.1 is less than 1. So the formula of Sn is, if it is less than 1, what is the formula? If R is less than 1, we use Sn equal to A 1 minus Rn by 1 minus R. So you write A 1 minus Rn by 1 minus R. So A is 0.15, 1 minus R is 0.1 whole power, so you're going to find S20, okay? So in place of n it will be 20, 1 minus 0.1, so it will be 0.15, this part will be, keep it like that, this is a very big number, so we can just write 1 minus 0.1 power 20, and this if you minus you'll get 0.9. So remove the decimal and cancel. 15 by 9, I'm just writing. For removing 1 decimal 10, for removing 2 decimal 100, and this one keep as it is, 1 minus. This part is same. I'm removing decimal, so by 100. For removing the decimal, 10 on the top. Cancel, 0, 0 is cancel. 3, 3 times. 3, 5 times. 5, 2 times. So you're getting 1 by 6. This is the answer, okay? Similarly, you have to do this. I'll just give you a hint. A is root 7. R will be root 21 by root 7. That means under 1 root 21 by 7. So it will be root 3. You are going to find Sn. Use the formula. A. This is more than 1, okay, root 3. Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. So if you use the formula, just put the value, you'll get the answer, okay? Answer must be root 7. We cannot do anything, just put the value. Just put the value. Root 7. R is root 3 whole n minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. We cannot solve it also. Here A is 1. R is minus A by 1. That is minus A. Sn will be, since it's less than 1, A 1 minus Rn 1 minus R. Negative number is less than 1, so put the value. A is 1. 1 minus R is A minus A. 1 minus minus A. So we're getting 1 minus minus A whole n 1 plus, this is minus minus plus A. So this is your answer. Do it by yourself, this one, question number 10. This is your homework. Your answer must be x cubed 1 minus x2n by 1 minus x square. This must be the answer. Do it yourself, okay? Let's do. So we'll do this much. We can do till question number 15. Question number 11. This symbol is called sum, okay? From K1 to K11 they have given. You are going to find this. That means K equal to 1 to 11. 2 plus 3K can be written as, when it is 1, it will be 2 plus 3 power 1. Plus it will go 2 power 3 square. It will go till 11, okay? 2 power 3 cube and goes on 2 plus 3 power 11. Since it's 2 power 3k and k is from 1 to 11, so in place of this part only we're writing 1, 2, 3 till 11 and rest is same. So if you see nicely, everywhere 2 is there, we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus till 11 times, and this one will be 3 1 plus 3 2 plus 3 cube plus till 3 power 11. Now 2 plus 2 plus 11 times is 2 into 11, and here we have to use the formula of sum of the GP, that is A 1 minus R, and sorry, here R is bigger, okay, 3. Or you have to use A Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. So this is 22 plus, here A is 3 and R also will be, R we have to divide these two. R will be, this is rough work, okay, 3 square by 3. If you cancel, I get 3 only. So R is 3, power n is still 11, minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So you're getting 22 plus 3 this 3 minus 1 is 2. Keep it like that. This is very big number. 3 power 11 minus 3. So you can keep the answer like that, no problem, okay? Let's do question number 12. The sum of the first 3 terms of GP is 39. And their product. So when they are talking about the 3 terms, we can take, let the terms be A by R, A and AR when they talk about 3 terms, okay? So they are in the ratio. The common ratio is same. If I divide these two, ratio will be same. So let the 3 terms be this one. Whenever they talk about 3 terms, we use this, okay? As per the question, sum of the 3 terms is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. So let us use the product first. So product means A by R into A into AR equal to 1. So R cancel, A cube equal to 1. So A will be 1. And the sum is given as, sum is 39 by 10. Sum means I will add this 3. A by R plus A plus AR equal to 39 by 10. Put the value, A is 1 by R. So it's 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 39 by 10. Take the LCM. 1 plus R square equal to 39 by 10. Cross multiply. 10 plus 10R plus 10R square equal to 39R. Bring everything on the left side. 39r plus 10 equal to 0. So you'll get 10r square minus 29r plus 10 equal to 0. So do middle term factorization. This 10 is 100. So 25 into 4 is also 100, and 25 plus 4 is 29. Plus 10 equal to 0. 10r square minus 25r minus 4r plus 10 equal to 0. Here 5r is common. We can write 2r minus 5 minus 2 is common. So we can write 2r minus 5, 5r minus 2 equal to 0. So either or you can do. So r will be 5 by 2, or this is r, okay? 5r minus 2 equal to 0, that is r will be 2 by 5. So the number can be, if we take r this one, when r equal to 5 by 2, your series is a by r, a and ar. We put the value, a is 1 and r is this one, so we'll get 2 by 5, a is 1 and ar will be 5 by 2. And when r equal to 2 by 5, the series will be a by r means 1 by this means 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. These are the series, okay? Let's do this. How many terms of GP are needed to give the sum 120? So here a is, first write the series. A is 3. R will be 3 square by 3, that is 9 by 3. We are getting 3. And Sn is given as 120. Use the formula on the left side. A Rn minus 1 by r minus 1 equal to 120. Put the value and get the answer. You must get n equal to 4. Put the value a and rn, cross multiply and get the answer. You must get this, okay? Question number 14. The sum of the first 3 term of a GP is 16 and the next 3 term is, that means a1 plus a2 plus a3 is given as 16. That means a plus ar plus ar square. Here a is common, we can write 1 plus r square equal to 16. Make this as equation 1. And the next 3 terms means a4 plus a5 plus a6 is given as 128. So a4 means ar cube, a5 means ar4, ar, how much? Sorry, 5 equal to 128. Take ar cube common, you'll get 1 plus r square equal to 128. Make this as equation 2. Now divide 1 and 2. 2 divide 1, okay? That means I'll divide left part. This divide this. Here 128 by 16. So we can cut this. A also cancel. We're getting r cube equal to 16 how many times? 8 times. So 8 is 2 cube. So r is 2. If r is 2, put in equation 1 to get the value of a. So 1 plus 2 square equal to 16. So 2 square is 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7. So A is 16 by 7. So you got A, you got R. Now you can find anything. Your question is determine the first term we got, common ratio, and the sum of the n term. So we'll find Sn. A Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. Since R is 2 greater than 1, we're using this formula. 16 by 7. R is 2 power n minus 1. R is 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we'll get 16 by 7 only 2 power n minus 1. This is your final answer. Downside is 1, no need to write. You can pause the video and write everything. Thank you.